A documentation video is a type of how-to video in which the creator documents the process of achieving a specific goal so the viewers can follow along. If you want to make a documentation video engaging, interesting, and useful, I would recommend making your instructions as clear and as useful as possible. This software makes creating documentation videos so quick and easy, but there's so much detail within the videos that are created. So I'm just going to walk you through it really quickly. So let's say I wanted to make a how-to video showing how to boost a post on Instagram. So what I'll do, you see I've got the app installed in my Google Chrome extensions here, Guide. So if I want to start creating my how-to video, I just click here, the big red button, capture. And I'm going to make the title of my video, it's going to be a product how-to video, how to boost a post on Instagram. English UK, in case you couldn't tell. Okay, let's go. Cool. So I'm just going to go through the first steps of boosting a post. So I'm going to click this button here, boost post. You see all the different details. Visit your profile, yes. Type of audience, I can create my own. So I want to show people how to do that. I'm going to name it Rio de Janeiro. We're going to send it to people in Rio de Janeiro. Just going through all the steps you need to do that people are going to need to know how to boost the post. Minimum age, 19 to 64. Just females. Okay, so I'm just going to go through all the other steps of creating my ad. So I only want £1 a day, just for one day. How do I do that? Set duration. I'm just going to go through all the different posts. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to click here, the guide button again. And what that's going to do, the app is going to create the video for me and a whole lot more. So let me just click that and then I'll come back to you when the video is finished. Okay, so here we go, just a couple of minutes later, and we have our completed how-to video, just over a minute long for these steps. I'm going to play it for you now just to show you what the algorithm created without me really touching anything. Hopefully, you're going to be able to hear the voiceover as well.
Learn how to boost a post on Instagram effectively by customizing your target audience, location, age, and gender settings. Follow these engaging steps to enhance your marketing strategies with precise audience targeting and optimization techniques.
So the AI wrote that
Post
intro.
boosting. Name your target audience. Edit audience preferences. Look for a specific location. Enter Rio de Janeiro as the location. Save the location settings. View audience size and recommendations. Select an age range. Select the age 64. Select gender as female. Save the gender settings. Navigate to the next step. Set the duration for the boost. Proceed to the next step. Continue to the next step. Finalize and boost the post. Confirm the boosting action. This guide walks you through boosting a post on Instagram with tailored audience selections and strategic settings for location, age, and gender preferences. Elevate your marketing efforts by understanding how to optimize audience targeting for better engagement and reach.
Yeah, so hopefully you could hear the voiceover, the AI voiceover, using my screen recording software. If you could, you'll see that it's pretty intelligent. It's recognized all the steps and it's put that into words for the viewer without me having to do that and tell it what to say. Not perfect though, was it? So what we can do if we want to edit, we can click here, edit video, and you see for each of the steps down here, we can change what the step is shown on the video. So we can have it like that, for example. And this down here is what the voiceover is going to say. So I can't remember which one wasn't so great, but we can you can add more detail. So set the duration for the boost, depending on how many days you would like your promotion to run for. And you see, you've got up to 1,500 characters for what you can want your AI to say. And if we click here, generate voiceover again, that's going to update the video. It's just saving now. So we can improve that and we can put as much or as little effort into like editing what the AI comes up with. You can also change the voice of the AI. And we've just got two here, it looks like, for the free trial that I'm showing you here. We'll stick with George. If we go back here, because Guide actually completes a full step-by-step blog post with screenshots, and that is all done by the AI as well. So you see each of the steps outlined for the user. Think how much time that's going to save for someone who wants to make a step-by-step guide here, right? If we want to edit that, so for here, probably we would want to say maybe we want people to target all range. So we're going to say instead of select 19, we're going to say select a minimum age range. And then if we want to really spell it out for them, we can say this is your opportunity to ensure only a certain demographic sees your posts. And we can change the font, we can change the text color, all of these things. So we can edit our blog post here as well. And once we've decided that's all ready, it's as simple as clicking share, and we've got the choice to send it by email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. The link is guides, but I'm very sure there's opportunity to embed this sort of thing on your own blog as well. So highly recommended. As I mentioned, Guide has its own free trial. It uses intelligent AI software to help you create videos at lightning speeds. How long have I been showing you how to do it? Just a few minutes. And yeah, to get started, it's as simple as opening the browser extension, clicking the capture button, completing your task, and then clicking stop. From there, Guide is going to create a video of all your actions, highlighting each step performed, using intelligent AI to really work out what it is you're doing and what you're trying to show the audience. Simple interface, easy to use features, make it the perfect tool in my book for any beginner looking to make a how-to video that meets these best practice standards of the modern day internet. Better yet, it comes with a free trial for 14 days so you can see for yourself how intuitive it is before you spend any money.